Elimination by substitution method. Elimination by substitution method. Now this second method is elimination by equating coefficient. So we write first point in this. First we write on this. First we write First we write equations. First we write equations 1 and 2. Write this because this is the method which I am explaining. In elimination by equating coefficient. Earlier it was substitution method. Now it is equating coefficient. So first we write equation 1 and 2. Then second step is we make coefficients. We make coefficients of either x, we make coefficient of either x or y, anyone. We make coefficient of either x or y equal in both equations. In both equations 1 and 2. Both equations 1 and 2 and simplify. Both equations 1 and 2 and simplify. First we write equation 1 and 2, then we make coefficient of either x or y in both equation equal and simplify. Third step is equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2, we do not change the sign of second equation. We do not change the sign of second equation. Sign of second equation. Equation 1 plus equation 2, whenever it is plus, we do not change the sign of second equation. And fourth, equation 1 minus equation 2, whenever it is minus, we change the sign of second equation. We change the sign of second equation. So this you have to take care. Sign of equation 2. Whenever it is 1 plus 2, we do not change the sign of second equation. Equation 1 plus equation 2, do not change the sign of second equation. But whenever you have equation 1 minus equation 2, we change the sign of second equation. We change the sign of second equation. And this is what elimination by equating coefficient method. Third point. Yes. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Whenever you are adding two equations, then you will not change the sign of second equation. You will not change the sign of second equation. But yes. Whether it is plus sign or minus sign of second equation, that we do not change. For example, suppose this is equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Equation 1. And next is 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 11. Equation 2. If it is 1 plus 2, do not change the sign. If it is 1 minus 2, then I will change the sign of second. This plus become minus, minus become plus, minus become plus. Are you getting? Whenever it is 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus equation 2, we change the sign of second equation. Second equation, this is plus 5, it becomes minus 5. Whenever it is plus, No, whenever it is plus, I am explaining this fourth point. Whenever you have to add, whenever you are adding, do not change the sign. Do not change the sign and add them. 2x plus 5x, 7x. But whenever you are subtracting 1 minus 2, you have to change the sign of second equation. And this will be more clear when we will start solving the problem. So in this you have to make coefficients of either x or coefficient of either y equal. Any one, not both. Coefficient means the term attached to that variable. So based on this, we have exercise 6b, using method of elimination of by equating coefficient. First one, 13 plus 2y is equal to 9x and 3y is equal to 7x. Solve this by equating coefficient method. Wait. Solve this. See, that method will be given in the question. Solve this by substitution method. Solve this by substitution method. No. See, if it is not given, then you are free to use any method. But if it is specified, the method is asked in the question, that you have to solve by that method only. If you solve by, if it is not given, then you can choose the whichever method you want to apply. Yes, we'll see. It is given 13 plus 2y is equal to 9x and 3y is equal to 7x. Now 6a, that method was substitution method. Now this is by equating coefficient. Now so our first job is to write down this equation. So first we write x. So this I can write 9x minus 2y is equal to 13. Are you getting? 13 plus 2y is equal to 9x. I can write 13 is equal to 9x minus 2y. We take 2y on the other side. So this is same as 9x minus 2y is equal to 13. And this is my equation number 1. So first you have to write the equation 1 and 2. 9x minus 2y is equal to 13. A is equal to B is same as B is equal to A. Now let us see second one. 3y is equal to 7x, which I can write 0 is equal to 7y minus 3x, 7x minus 3y. I will take 3y on the other side, 7x minus 3y. I will take 3y on the other side. So 7x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is my second equation. Yes? Yes, that I am explaining. No, your job is first to get equation 1 and 2 in the form of x and y. You have to write that in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. That form you have to write. So this is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now let us solve 1 and 2. I am writing 1 and 2 together. So 9x minus 2y is equal to 13 is my equation number 1. Then 7x minus 3y is equal to 0 is my equation number 2. Now by equating coefficient method means what is coefficient of x? What is coefficient of x? 9. What is coefficient of x? 7. So I have to make the coefficient of x equal, this coefficient of x equal, this coefficient of x equal. So what I will do, I will multiply this equation by this coefficient 9, and I will multiply this equation by this coefficient of x, that is 7. Are you getting? To make coefficient of x equal, their coefficient of x is 9, their coefficient of x is 7. So to make this coefficient and this coefficient equal, I will multiply this equation by this coefficient of x 9 and this equation by this coefficient of x 7. Suppose you want to make coefficient of y equal. What is coefficient? Yes. No, not LCM. LCM concept is not there. No. Yes. Now see here. Suppose you want to make coefficient of y equal. What is coefficient of y? What is coefficient of y? 2. What is coefficient of y? 3. So I will multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2 so that y becomes equal. You have to make any one. You have to make any. Yes, you can equate x also, you can equate y also, anyone. I am explaining. Suppose you want to equate x, then coefficient of x is 9. So I will multiply equation 2 by this coefficient of x 9 and this equation 1 by this coefficient of x 7. So we write, let me make equate by equating coefficient x. So 7 into equation 1, 7 into equation 1, 7 into equation 1. I will multiply equation 1 by 7, this coefficient. Then I will multiply equation 2 by this coefficient 9. So write 9 into equation 2, 9 into equation 2. Now all of you stop writing, pay attention. Stop writing, pay attention. Yes. To make coefficient of x equal, now their coefficient of x is 9 and their coefficient of x is 7. To make this coefficient of x and this coefficient of x both equal, I will multiply this equation 1 by this coefficient of x. What is that? 7. So we write 7 into equation 1. Then this equation 2 I will multiply by this coefficient. 9 into equation 2. Now stop writing. See here. What is sine of 9? What is sine of 9? Plus. What is sine of 7? Plus. So whenever they have same sign, you have to subtract. Whenever they have same sign, you have to subtract. Is it clear? Whenever. Yes. No. Whenever they have same sign. No. Whenever they have same. Yes. Whenever they have same sign, you have to subtract. Opposite sign, you have to add. This you remember. Whenever they have same sign, equation 1. Why you will get confused? You have to see the sign. What is sign of 9 plus? What is sign of 7 plus? Same sign, so you have to subtract. Same sign, so you have to subtract. No. If they have opposite sign, then we add. If this is minus, this is plus, then we add. Instead of minus, I will write plus. Opposite sign add, same sign subtract. So first I will multiply equation 1 by 7. Throughout equation. So 7 into 9, 63x. Multiply equation 1 each by 7. Minus 7 into 2, 14y is equal to 13 into 7, that is 91. Then equation 2 by 9. Equation 2 by 9. So 9 into 7, 63x. Minus 9. Right. 9 into 3 is 27y is equal to 0 into 9, 0. Now what we have written there? We have written minus. Yes. Equation 1 I will multiply it by this coefficient of x, 7. So 7 into 9, 63x, 7 into 2, 14y, 13 into 7, 91. Then this equation 2 I will... No. Only by 7. I have written a 7 into equation 1. Only by the coefficient. 7 into equation 1. Then equation 2 I will multiply by 9. So 9 into 7, 63. 9 into 3, 27y. 9 into 0, 9. Now there I have written minus. So minus means I have to change the sign. So of second equation, so this plus become minus, minus become plus, and this we write minus, or 0 have no sign. Yes, 0 has no sign, so we write only 0. So you have to change the sign. Yes, you have to change the sign because it is minus written. Minus means change the sign of second. So plus become minus, minus become plus, and 0 has no sign. Yes, see, I have written 7 into equation 1 minus 9 into equation 2 because 9 and 7 they have same sign. So I will write minus. Minus means you have to change the sign of second. This is my second nose. So minus means change the sign of second. Plus become minus, minus become plus, and 0 has no sign. You can write minus 0, no problem. So now you have to take the new sign now. 63 minus 63x, 0. Then minus 14 plus 27. Minus 14, you have to take the new sign. Minus 14 plus 27 is plus 13y is equal to 91 minus 0, 91. So 13y is equal to 91. So y is equal to 91 upon 13. So y is equal to 7. Are you getting? Y is equal to 7. Now this value 63 will cancel because one is wait. Now this is 63x minus 14y 91. This is also 9 into equation 2. But I have written minus. Minus means you have to change the sign of second. And why I have written minus? Because 9 and 7 they have same sign. So whenever they have same sign plus plus, we have to subtract. And subtract means change the sign of second. So plus become minus, minus become plus. 63x minus 63x, 0. Minus 14 plus 27 plus 13y, 91 minus 0, 91. So y is 7. Y cannot cancel because it is minus 14y and 27y, no. So you have to add and subtract the coefficient. Plus 27. You have to add and subtract the coefficient, not the variable. So y is 7. Now this value of y, you can put any one of the equation. So put y is equal to 7 in equation 1. Any equation. Put y is equal to 7 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 9x minus 2 into y is 7 is 13. So you can put the value of y in any one of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. Why we are saying this by equating coefficient means we have made the coefficient of x equal. Earlier it was coefficient of x was 9, coefficient of x was 7. But now we have made the coefficient of x equal, that is 63, 63. Now put the value of y in equation 1. So 9x minus 14 is equal to 13. 13 plus 14. So 9x is 27. So you will get x is equal. Yes, does not matter. Same answer you will get. Yes, same answer you will get. Wait. Let her put. What is harm there? But you will get the. You will. No. X is 3, y is 7. Why confused? If the calculation is correct, you will get the same answer. So equating coefficient method means you have to make coefficient of x equal or y equal, any one. And whenever, yes, ask the doubt. Then I will add. Suppose this is plus 9. Opposite sign we have to add, same sign we have to subtract. This was plus 9 and this was plus 7, so I have added. I have subtracted because same sign. My plus plus will subtract. Minus 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 also means same sign. No, minus minus also means same sign. Then again I will subtract. Plus plus or minus minus I will subtract. Minus plus or plus minus I will add. Same sign. Same sign means plus plus or minus minus. In both the case I will subtract. So let us solve second. 3x minus y is 23. Equating coefficient means either you make x coefficient equal or you make y coefficient equal and simplify that. Either you make x coefficient equal or y coefficient equal and simplify that. Let us solve second. Second, 4 marks, 3 to 4 marks, and definitely by one of the method, one question will definitely come. 3x minus y is not 2 marks, 3 marks or 4 marks. 3x minus y is 23 and x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4. Solve this. So our first job is to get the equation. Equation 1 is directly given. Equation 2 we have to simplify and get equation 2. So 3x minus y. Yes. 3x minus 2y is 3x minus y is 23. This is my equation 1 directly given. Now to get equation 2 I will solve second. X upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal. Solving this. I will take LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 4x upon 12 plus 3y upon 12 is equal to 4. Multiply and divide by 3 because this 4 is already given, no? Is equal to 4 is given. So 4x plus 3y upon 12 is equal to 4. So first we have to get the equation 2. Second step. Okay. This part is clear. This is already given. X upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4 is given. This is given. This is already given in the question. So to make denominator equal, I will take LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. So 4x plus 3y upon 12 is equal to 4. So you will get 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. 12 is multiplied. So I am writing directly. This is my equation number 2. So now I will write equation 1 and 2 together. Equation 1 is 3x minus y is equal to 23. Equation 1. And equation 2 is 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Equation number 2. Now we have to solve this by equating coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal. Yes. Now first problem I have solved by equating coefficient of x equal. Now let me solve this by equating coefficient of y equal. Yes. Now let us solve this by coefficient of y equal. What is coefficient of y in equation 1? What is coefficient of not 1, it is minus 1. And what is coefficient of y in second? 3. Coefficient of y is 3. So to make coefficient of y equal, I will multiply equation 1 by this coefficient 3 and equation 2 by this coefficient, that is minus 1. Are you getting? Yes, that is what I am explaining. First problem I have solved by equating x. Now let me solve this problem by equating y. So their coefficient of y is -1. Their coefficient of y is 3. So I will multiply equation 1 by this coefficient of y, 3. So we write 3 into equation 1, 3 into equation 1, and this equation 2 I will multiply by this coefficient. This coefficient is what is this coefficient? Yes. Where? Does not matter. If 4y is there, then this equation I will multiply by 3. This equation 2 I will multiply by -4. Does not matter. Are you getting? Equation 2. Equation 1 we multiply by this coefficient 3, and equation 2 we multiplied by equation 2 we multiplied by 1. We multiplied by 1. Actually y means it is 1y. Y means 1y, remember. Now you tell me, what is sine of y? What is sine of y? Minus. Now what is sine of y? What is sine of 3? Plus. So they have opposite sign, yes or no? This is this is minus y, and this is plus. So they have opposite sign. Opposite sign they have. So what I will do? I will write plus. So I will multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1 and add them. Equation 2 by 1, because it is y means 1y, and since they have opposite sign, minus plus, I will add. Opposite sign you have to add. So equation 1 I will multiply by 3. So 3 into 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to 23 into 3, that is 69. Equation 2 I will multiply by 1. So 1 into 4, 4x, 1 into 3, 3y, 1 into 48, 48. Now it is plus. Plus means I will not change the sign of second. This sign I will not change because it is plus. So I will add them directly. 9x plus 4y is 13x. Minus 3y plus 3y is 0. 69 plus 48 is 117. Plus means you have to add directly. Do not change the sign of second. Plus means do not change the sign of second. Plus means do not change the sign of second. So we directly add them. So whenever they have opposite sign, we add. Same sign we subtract. So you will get 13x is equal to 117. So x is 117 upon 13. So x is 9. Now put the value of x either in equation 1 and equation 2 or equation 2. So put x is equal to yes, any one of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. Say, yes. No problem will be there, no problem. No problem. I am writing 1, 2, you can write 2, 1, no problem. Put x is equal to 9 in equation 1. So x is 9. So 3 into x, 9. X is 9. 3x minus y is 20. Yes, 23. So 3 into 9, 27. Minus y is 23. So 27 minus 23 is equal to y. So 4 is equal to y, not 5. So y value is 4. So our answer is x is 9 and y is 4. So two things you have to remember. Whenever coefficient have same sign, you have to subtract, and coefficient have opposite sign, we have to add. So same sign you subtract. No, we are not multiplying equation 1 and 2. We are making the coefficient of x equal, y equal in this. What is coefficient of y here? 1. What is coefficient of y here? 3. So I will multiply this equation 1 by this coefficient 3, and this equation 2 by this coefficient 1. And since they have opposite sign minus plus, I will write plus. Opposite sign. So this equation 1 I will multiply by 3. So 3 into 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to 23 into 3, 69. Then equation 2 I will multiply by 1. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Then plus means do not change the sign. So directly we add 9x plus 4x, 13x, minus 3y plus 3y, 0, 69 plus 48, 117. Plus means do not. Yes. So you have to decide whether you want to equate the coefficient of x or you want to equate the coefficient of y. That you have to decide. This problem I can also solve by equating coefficient of x equal. There it is 3, there it is 4. So I will multiply equation 1 by 4, equation 2 by 3, and since they have same sign plus plus, I will subtract. If you want, you are equating x. Yes, minus 3y and plus 3y will get cancelled. Minus 3y and plus 3y will get cancelled. Okay. Now let me do third one. Should I give third one homework? Same problem. Yes. Third one, let me give homework. Third one. 5y by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 8. You just think and tell me. Then y by 2 plus 5x by 3 is equal to 12. Now what you want? Should I solve this? Yes. This I am giving homework. You have to take LCM. You have to take LCM of 2 and 3. You have to take LCM of 2 and 3. Simplify that. Get equation 1 and 2. And you have to write first x, then y. You have to write first. Yes. First you have to make the denominator equal. Then you have to write. While writing, you have to write first x, then y. Then fourth also. Let me explain. You want the answer of this? I have 1 minute. Fourth one. At least you see. Okay. Only one problem homework. Third one. So solve this. Bye. Solve this. So this is equating coefficient method. Yes, either we equate x or equate y, any one. When equation 1 and equation 2 have same sign, subtract, opposite sign add. Yes. Same sign we subtract, opposite sign we add. Yes. Now we stop there. Anybody is writing?